Hello kids, let's start studying Environmental Studies B. So please take out the book Environmental Studies B, and in this book today we are going to learn about food. Okay, so do you know what is food? Yes, we eat. Yes, we eat food. So my question is, what is food? So answer would be the things which we eat are food. The things which we eat are food. Like we eat bread, apple, brinjal, and this egg. These are food. And here some other foods there. This is pizza and vegetables, fruits, ice cream, and cake, milk. These are food. We eat them. What is this? This is a food? No, this is book. We do not eat it. And do you eat it? This is a pen. No, we do not eat the pen and book. So these are not food. Okay, so only the things we can eat are food. Okay, the things which we cannot eat are not food. Okay, so today we are going to learn some healthy and unhealthy food. Okay, do you know what is the benefit of taking healthy food? Yes, taking healthy food makes us strong and makes our mind very creative. And when we eat junk food or unhealthy food, it will spoil our body. Okay, so never eat junk food, like I'll tell you in this class. Okay, so come on, first work we have tick the object that we can eat. Okay, so the object we have to tick only which we can eat. So this is bread. Can we eat? Yes, we can eat the bread, so tick this one. Okay, this is apple. Yes, we can eat it. Okay, so tick this one also. This is brinjal. Can we? Yeah, we can eat the brinjal in the form of cooked vegetable. And this is pain. Can we eat it? No, we cannot eat it, so do not take this block. Okay, this is the book. Can you eat it? No, bad habit. Some students eat the pages of the book. No, they tear the page and they start eating the pages. So this is bad habit. Never do it. This is not for eating. This is book only for studying. Okay, so do not take it. And what is this? This is an egg. We eat it. Okay, so tick this one. Okay, come on, next work on this page we have circle the healthy food. Okay, I have already said that when we eat healthy food, it makes our body strong, and when we eat junk food or unhealthy food, it will make our body spoiled. Okay, so come on, this is pizza. This is not healthy food, so do not circle it. Yes, these are healthy vegetables. To circle it, you can use the crayons instead of pencil. Okay, so this is healthy food. And these are the fruits. These are also healthy food, so circle this one also. This is ice cream. Ice cream is healthy food? No, it is not healthy food. I'm telling wrong. Okay, so this is unhealthy food. We should not take an ice cream. Okay, and this is cake. It is also unhealthy food. Okay, yes, this is milk. It is healthy food. We should take milk daily. Okay, you can take in the morning, you can take it at night also. Okay, so this is healthy food. We should eat only fruits, vegetables, and milk. We should never take the pizza, cake, and ice cream. We should never take all these items. These are unhealthy foods. Okay, come on. Next page we have a question is there. If someone asks you why do our body needs food? So the answer would be our body needs. Okay, I asked the question wrong. Okay, do you know why do we need food? We need food for energy. Okay, why do we need food? We need food for energy, and this energy would be used for moving, walking, and playing. So our body needs energy to move, work and play. Okay, हम स्कूल जाते हैं, हाँ, हम पापा ऑफिस जाते हैं, सो मूव करते हैं, उसके लिए एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. और हम वर्क करते हैं ना, लॉट ऑफ वर्क वी डू इन रिटन, इन रीडिंग, these are the work, so we need energy to work. Okay, and play also. Okay, we need energy for playing. So we need always energy to move, to work and to play. Okay, so we get this energy from food. We get all this energy from food. Okay, so we get food from plants and animals. Do you know we get these foods from animals as well as plants? Okay, so these are some foods. We have to circle the food we get from plants. Okay, this is radish. We get it from animal or from plant? Yes, we get the carrot. Sorry, this is carrot. Yes, always say right thing. If someone is telling wrong, so at that time say you are telling wrong. Okay, so this is carrot, this is not radish. Okay, so circle the food we get from plant. So this is carrot, we get from plant, and this is honey. Yes, but it is made up, it is created by the honey bees, and they get it from plant. Okay, they get it from plant, from the flowers. Okay, so color this one also, sorry, circle this one also. And this is banana, and we get it from plant. Okay, this is bread, it is made up of grains, especially from wheat. Okay, so this is also from plant. And this is fish, we cannot get it from plants. Okay, this is already animal. And next one, take the food we get from animals. Okay, so we have to take the objects, take the food we get from the animals. Like this is meat, we get it from animal. This is onion, we cannot get it from animals, we get it from plant. Okay, these are cakes, so we cannot get it from animals. Okay, this is milk, yeah, we get it from cows and buffaloes. And this is fish, it is already animal, so take it. And this is dry fruits. Yes, we get it from plants, we do not get it from animals. Okay, take only meat and this milk and this fish. Okay, and on next page and last page we have tick the options which is healthy and cross the one which is unhealthy. Okay, soft drink, do you know it is healthy or unhealthy? Yes, alright, this is unhealthy. So the food items which are unhealthy we have to cross, the items which are healthy we have to tick. Like this is mango, it is healthy for us. This is pizza, it is unhealthy for us. Okay, cross it. This is candy, it is unhealthy. Okay, this is fish, it is healthy for us. Okay, these are, yes, chips, these are unhealthy for our body. And this is egg, it is healthy for us. Tomato, also healthy food. And this is milk, it is also healthy for us. And yes, this is cake, yes, this is unhealthy food, cross it. And this is burger, it is also unhealthy food. and this ice cream is unhealthy. Okay, so complete all these pages, and after doing, send it on the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you so much. ODS, hasta mañana.